You can also go ahead and add in a search section so that people can search within your website in Microsoft Power Pages. So to do that, let me just add a section over here on the top, and let's go for a one column section right here. And over here, what you can do is you can go around over here onto the three dot button right here, and you can see that search is an option. Let me just go ahead and click right here, and then you can see that this is a search that is added in. You can see the search design, which is a search bar, as you can see right here, and you can show the search results inline as well if you want to as well, just like this. And then you can also add a placeholder text. Let's say, for example, find what you want right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and type that in right here, just like this, which is a placeholder text right here. And now if I were to go for search summary, you can add in heading text right here, like summarize right here, or summary right here, just like this, as you can see. So now as you make the changes right here, just like this, and close, you see the find what you want right here, just like this. And you even have the option to go ahead and add in border to it right here, add in corner radius to it, add in a bit of a background to the search as well as you want, add in a bit of a shadow as well, and then work around with the layout as you want, just like this as well, and make changes according to how you want right here. So this is what you have now. So let me just go ahead and preview and see how this actually looks as well. So this is what you have, as you can see right here, and you can see the search right here. So now let me just go ahead and preview this, use a desktop preview for this right here. And then you can see the search right here. So let me just go around over here and search for the word TutorTube right here, just like this, and press enter. And then what happens is that it'll search throughout your page right here and show you the results right here. And this is what you have. As you can see, you see a summary of the sources right here, and you even see the references right here, just like this, from different pages right here. And you can go ahead and click on the one you want, and it'll navigate to that particular page. And that is how you can go ahead and add in a search bar in your Microsoft Power Pages website. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.